In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload e-tickets to Viagogo. First, head over to the Viagogo website and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the account connected to the sale so you can access the correct order details without any confusion. Once you're signed in, look for the section labeled My Sales, or in some cases just Sales. This is where Viagogo keeps the list of tickets you've already sold and any actions you still need to complete. From there, select the specific order for the tickets you've sold. Before you upload anything, take a moment to carefully review the delivery instructions shown on the order page. This part is important because it tells you exactly what Viagogo expects for that sale, and it also shows the upload deadline. Be sure to check that deadline closely, since missing it could create issues with the order. When you're ready, click Upload Tickets. Viagogo will then prompt you to choose the file you want to submit. In most cases, your e-ticket will be a PDF, so locate that file on your computer or mobile device. It helps if you already know where the file is saved before starting, especially if you're working quickly or uploading from your phone. Select the correct file and begin the upload. After that, give it a moment to finish completely. Depending on your internet speed and the file size, this may take a few seconds. Avoid closing the page too early, refreshing your browser, or tapping away from the upload screen while the file is processing, because that can interrupt the transfer. Once the upload is complete, check the order page to confirm that the ticket file now appears in the order. This step is worth doing every time, because seeing the file listed is the best way to verify that Viagogo has received it. If the platform asks you to confirm that the upload is complete, go ahead and do that as well, so the process is fully finalized. Finally, keep the original ticket file and any upload confirmation for your records until the event has taken place and you've received your payment. Even after a successful upload, it's always smart to hold on to that documentation in case you need to refer back to it later. That's it. If you follow these steps carefully, uploading e-tickets to Viagogo is a straightforward process.